Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your general and love read. Okay, for the rest of January. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And, diba, ang daming end. Kung may tanong rin po pagdating sa ating mga items, so we have yung ating protection from evil eye, meron tayong grantor necklace, okay, to help you, na ma-manifest yung mga pina-manifest nyo, and meron tayong love bracelet for singles, and pwede rin sa may mga karelasyon, at lalo na, doon sa may mga sobrang komplikadong relasyon, and itong ating cord cut, pang cord cut, okay, so kung may tanong, message lang po. Okay, and yes, diba, ang daming end. Kung kayo ay interesado na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. Ito yung kanyang FB page, pangalan ng kanyang page. So, chat nyo na lang siya dyan. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman. Okay? So, there. So, let's start the reading. Unahin natin yung general. Okay, general muna. Tsaka na yung love pagkatapos ng general. So, let's see. Let's check. Ano bang meron? Okay, for the rest ng January. Okay, so Gemini placements. One more. Gemini. Okay. The Magician in reversed. Number 1 na pumasok sa utak ko. Yung iba sa inyo binabatuhan ng evil eye. What's with this Magician in reversed? The Emperor. When it comes to business, iba sa inyo, or yes, in general, kung meron kayong mga parang mga pinagkakaabalahan, meron kayong mga kung anong inaatupag ninyo, hindi lahat ng kung sinong kasama mo is true. Well, that's so general. Anyway, some of you, be careful with scammer, be careful. There's this person controlling you. I don't know who. The Emperor is the boss. A boss? They're controlling you. Manipulating you. What's with this the Magician in reverse? Anong meron dyan? The Magician in the reversed. The Seven of Wands. Some of them, sinasabi sa'yo kung anong dapat mo gawin talaga. Yes. Kinokontrol ka nito. Ito yung parang kunyari tutulungan ka. Andito rin yung parang, yung energy ng taong to is like kampe sa'yo. May ganun, Huwag kang magpapauto. Kung sino man to. Kung sino man yung nagbabato ng evil eye sa'yo, nireject mo siya. Okay? Number 1, nireject mo tong taong to. Binlock mo, some of you, binlock mo to. Pwedeng Virgo, we have here Aries, fire sign. Okay? So, it's like, ano ba to? Aries, Leo, Sag. You don't trust this person. Iba sa inyo, follow your intuition. Pagdating sa mga minamanage ninyo, lalo na kung may mga transactions, What else for you, Gemini? Gemini. Page of Swords. A message. Anong meron dyan? Page of Swords. Ten of Swords in reversed. Merong magbabalik. Merong magme-message sa'yo. Mula sa iyong past. Pwedeng air sign like you. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Some of you, you're being stalked. Stalked. Oh my. Sandali lang. Tatawa lang ako ng kaunti yan. Diba? Wait. Oo. You've been stalked. Oo, by kung sino man itong younger person. I cannot. Yeah, the devil is the devil is here. Ito ha. Hindi ako makamove on. Ito, there's this something like rumor. Yeah, pwede mag-spread a rumor. I don't know kung anong meron dyan. So, pwedeng napaka-unhealthy ng mag-spread na to na rumor. News. Pwedeng kumalat to through chat, through text. Someone will get caught. Someone. And that's channeled. Yeah, the Hermit. The Hermit. Someone or something. Pwedeng may gumagamit dito ng dummy account or a false yeah, I don't know kung tawag sa ganun. Anyway. Ang daming message. Yung sa sobrang dami, gulong-gulo ka. Gulong-gulo ako. Yeah. A lot of stalker. O, diba? May nag-stalk. Marami. Yeah. Kunin pa natin. Ano bang meron dito? Page of Swords. Knight of Pentacles in reversed. So, hindi kayo nag-uusap nito. Hindi kayo nagko-communicate. The Knight of Pentacles. Pwedeng, may tungkol sa pera din. Yeah, may tungkol rin sa kaperahan. Okay. Six of Wands. Andito yung inggit, ha. Andun yung inggit. Hindi ko alam kung ito'y paninira or what. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay. So, what else for you, Gemini? Past person. Pwedeng magparamdam. What else for you, Gemini placements? What else? Gemini. Five of Swords in reverse. Pasensya na sa ingay sa paligid. Five of Swords in reverse. The Sun. Good news is coming. Pero hindi pa ito sa Hindi ko nakikitang mangyayari ito ngayong January. For the rest of this month. Pwedeng siguro bilang kayo 3 months from now. Parang ganun. Ay masesettle. There's this good news. In general. A good news. Some of you, this is talking about travel or your business, if ever. Yeah, your work, career. Yeah, there's changes na pwedeng mangyari. So, there's like sudden increase pagdating sa kaperahan ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. May mananalo sa competition. Meron ako nakukuha ganun. What's with this? The sun. What's with this? Be careful. Fertile myrtle. Be careful. Oh, ayun yun ang mini you. The sun. Oh, sabi na. Pregnancy. The Empress. Card ko to ng pregnancy. So, yun na nga sabi ko kanina. Be careful. Fertile myrtle. O, diba? So, yeah, this is like happenings or sabihin nating mga pagkikita-kita. Yan, nandyan yung mga occasion. I don't know kung anong meron doon. So, there's this celebration. Pwedeng magkita-kita ng mga paskeme, mga ganyan. Okay? Friends. So, baka may mangyaring something. Okay? So, be careful. Yeah, the Four of Wands is here. I don't know if this is your past person. Pwede magparamdam and then may mangyari. So, be careful. I'm sensing pregnancy. For some of you, this is pregnancy. Yung mga iba naman nahirap magbuntis. May chance. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Gemini. Pagdating sa general. So, tayo tumungo sa person on your mind. The person on your mind, Gemini. So, is this person you're thinking of? Who are they? Tawa ko kanina. Okay. So, let's see. Who's this person? The person on your mind. This is for January lang. Okay. Who is this? The Four of Wands in reverse. There's this separation or pwedeng hindi na ganun ka-stable yung connection or relationship ninyo ng taong to. Some of them, hindi sila stable in general. Wala silang work or yeah. What's with this Four of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the world. May chance na ito ay malayo sa'yo. Okay? Malayo siya. Fixed sign. We have here fixed sign. Taurus, Scorpio, Aqua, Leo. Friend. A friend. Some of you, meron kayong connection ng taong ito na no label. Some of you. Iba sa inyo, magkausap kayo nito. Pwedeng may napag-usapan, I will travel. Or pupuntahan ka. Parang ganyan, or pupuntahan mo. Let's see. Anong meron sa situation? Anong meron? Oh! Meron bang nagtatanong or may magtatanong ba ng new beginning? This is pakikipagbalikan for me. What's with that? Ace of Pentacles. The King of Wands. Oh! The passionate one. Sagittarius. Meron ding earth sign. King of Pentacles in reverse. Gemini. I'm getting this energy from this person na ginamit ka lang nito. Some of you, you're in the same gender, same sex. Yeah, same sex. Iba. Pwedeng yung inyong connection ay tumakbo lang dahil sa pera. The Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the King of Pentacles. For me, some of you, this is a kabit. this person. So, hindi nagiging okay ang pagsasama ninyo or nitong person na to. Pero I think ikaw, Gemini, ang merong asawa or kakonek. Relasyon. Pero ito, hindi pa rin natapos to. This is a person from your past. You have this past life connection with this person specific. Okay? Meron ko yung past life connection ng taong ito and lagi na lang yan nandyan. Gusto lagi ng may new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Hindi nyo hinahayaan na totally mag-e-end kayo. What is there? Emotion. Their emotion. For you, Gemini. Emotion. Oops. Okay. The Seven of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. They need you. And may pagka-arrogant tong taong to, ha? Alam din niyang kailangan mo siya. Alam din niya na kailangan mo siya. Pakiramdam nila kung talagang may nangyaring separation sa iba sa inyo, pinabayaan mo daw siya. Ginamit mo lang daw siya. Yeah. Message niyo yun. Message niyo yun para sa'yo. That's channeled. Yeah, that's channeled. Pinabayaan mo raw siya. Ginamit mo raw siya. So, kung hindi ikaw yun, then don't blah 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 sa comment section, okay? The Devil. Sticking. Stuck. I don't know. So, pakiramdam niya, binaliwala mo siya. Binigay daw niya lahat sa'yo. Nakakakuha ko ng galit from this person. Pero, mas nangibabaw yung talagang i-forgive ka niya kahit ilang beses. Let's see their next action. Ang daming person involved. Ang daming energy. Ano ba ang next action niya towards you, Gemini? See? The Two of Cups. Hindi ka nalilet go nito. Energetically, emotionally. If there's separation, hindi isang dahilan yung separation na yan para totally mawala siya. Yeah. They will try na mag-reconnect sa'yo. They will try. Or pwedeng ginagawa na nila sa ngayon kasi ba nga, pwedeng kausap mo na. What's with this Two of Cups? The Page of Wands Universe. Yeah. Hindi nila hahayaan na talagang mawala itong connection na to. Babalik at babalik to. They will try to flirt with you. Gagawin nila yun. Kukunin nila attention mo. Page of Wands Universe. They will throw you subtle hints, signs, kung ano man. Okay? A lot of page. King of Cups. Ang daming involved. Ang daming energy. They love you actually. Attached yung tao sa'yo. Anong ginawa mo, Gemini? How do they see you? Let's see. How do they see you? How do this person sees you? The Lovers. You, Gemini, this is your energy. Open for relationship with them. Ayun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Okay? Yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Na, look, sa usual na card ng lovers, 3 lang yun. Ito 3. See? Ito sila. Behind. What's with that, lovers? The 9 of Cups. Tingin nila sa'yo. Talagang ikaw yung para sa kanya. What? Oh my. They can't live without you. O, diba? Mga ganong bagay. Hindi sila lalayo sa'yo. Kahit anong mangyari. Energetically, emotionally, nakahook ka dito. Anyway, so ano ba ang outcome nyo? Outcome/advice for you, Gemini. The Hermit. Realizations, no? And learning things mula sa sitwasyon na to. Some of you talagang lalayuan mo to. Tataguan mo. The Hermit. Or maybe you have to. Kailangan. Why? Why the Hermit? The 7 of Swords in reversed. Alam mo, itong taong to, may pagka-obsessed over you. I am talking sa isang Gemini dito or ilan sa inyo na alam mo na kailangan mo talagang layuan to kasi yun yung dapat. Marami ka nang nakita, marami ka nang naranasan. So, bakit mo pa ulit susubukan? I don't know. Kasi ang daming involved. Yeah, ang daming involved dito. Again, the Devil. Alam mo kung paano iiwasan to. And you know, na it's a must. O, diba? talagang kailangan mong layuan ito. Kung sino man ito. Kung sino man yung pwedeng makasira sa'yo. Lalo na sa finances mo. Kasi every time na may kumukonek sa'yo, nawawala ka sa direction. Nawawala ka sa direction. Anyway, so yun ang nakukuha ko sa taong to. I don't know why I'm whispering. Lakasan nyo na lang yung volume ng inyong mga kung ano man kung saan kayo nanonood. So, yeah, we have here. So, nakikita ko lalayuan mo to. And yes, kailangan mo talagang layuan. Okay? Kasi, I think, hindi lang isang beses nangyari to. Maraming beses na. Marami nang nadamay kung ano man. Marami nang nasaktan. Mga ganyang bagay. And syempre, unahin mo na din sarili mo, no? Pwede nasaktan ka din. I don't know. Itong taong to, biniblame ka niya. So, pwede kasing in-accept mo siya eh. No? So, may chance talaga. Meron siyang kakayanan talaga na sisihin ka kasi in the first place, naging open ka. Anyway, so we have here air, Virgo, water, Gemini, fellow Gemini, water, fire, earth, Sagittarius, earth, a lot of earth, and fix and fire. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. their energy, their emotions. Let's see. From Aries to Pisces. Let's check. Okay, so Aries, they like you. They want you. Taurus, feeling a strong connection. Gemini, no offering, no love offer coming from this Gemini. This is healing rin. Self-love. Cancer, they love you unconditionally. Leo, changes. They like you, they want you. Virgo, they're waiting for you. They're just waiting. I don't know why. Kung anong meron. To si Virgo. Next is Libra. Blockages, a lot. They're not open. Scorpio, they want to know you more. They want to express their love for you. They want to. Okay. Sagittarius, they want to communicate. Their focus is on you. Parang ganyan. Naka-focus sila sa'yo. They like you. Capricorn, emotionally unstable. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reversed. The Ace of Wands in reversed. They're not consistent. They're not showing their true feelings, their true emotions. It's been like held back. Parang ganun. Next, Aqua. Gusto nila parang makawala na, makaalis sa kung anong meron kayo. Gusto nila maging free sa situation. Ayaw nila nang isipin. Pisces, they admire you. They admire you. They want long-term connection, long-term relationship with you. They want victory with you. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.